Hi folks, I am Dr. Vibhusha Zambekar and I am a nutrition consultant. Today I will be talking with you about a very important factor of our lifestyle, which is maintaining a healthy weight. It has been seen that almost 50% of the Indian population is overweight. 3 out of every 4 women are prone to being overweight or obese. According to me, these numbers are really very scary. Something which you might not know and which is very shocking is that B12 deficiency, which is very common these days, plays a very important role in increasing the amount of fat which contributes to your weight. Increase in weight is something which is almost 100% attributable to our lifestyle, and hence maintaining a healthy lifestyle or making healthy lifestyle changes is our only long lasting solution if you want to lose and maintain a healthy weight. But the current situation of COVID has created a huge hurdle in making changes to our lifestyle. Very limited time to cook healthy meals for ourselves, especially for those working from home, limited options for exercise, and limited availability of food ingredients is something which is making cooking of healthy meals or healthy options customized for that particular person. It has become very difficult. But this is the time where we need to work on our health and make healthier changes to our lifestyle as well. So considering all of these issues, I am very happy to launch our holistic fat loss challenge. So this is a 30-day fat loss challenge which has been focused on very specific and 3 important points. The first one is this challenge will help you decrease all of the extra fat which has been accumulated. Secondly, and most important, it will also ensure the ease of cooking and the ease of making healthy meals specifically for you which are weight friendly. The third most important aspect of this program is it will be based completely on the food which you eat. It will not comprise of meal replacement shakes or protein supplements or any of the synthetic supplements which are given to make weight loss faster and easier. So let us now look about what this program really is. So our 30-day fat loss challenge will involve the following things. Firstly, you will directly communicate with me as your nutritionist for planning your diet chart. The planning will involve a detailed weight and fat analysis before and after the program. In addition to that, to make cooking meals healthy and customizable for you, I will be giving you this kit. Now this kit is a combination of different foods which have been prepared by using certified organic food ingredients and making healthy food combinations using those ingredients. So you can use these ready mixes to cook your healthy food, which will save your time and make cooking easy as well as delicious for you throughout these 30 days. In addition to that, I will also be giving you my book which is written specifically for weight management, which contains 101 healthy recipes which you can cook at your home for your entire family as well. Because I believe that a weight loss diet should not be restricted to 30 days, but it should become a part of your lifestyle. So this book can also help you achieve that. So this is how the program will work. At the end of the program, the objectives or the results which you should expect out of this program are fat loss or inch loss, overcome vitamin B12 and vitamin D3 deficiencies if any, increase your strength and stamina, and feel better and feel energized. So this is all the information about the program. If you wish to know more or if you wish to register for our program, you can feel free to contact me. Thank you.